not restricted to any particular region. It could be seen around the globe, though its degree may differ. Dear audience, when we spoil the purity of anything, we corrupt it, and we do so because of our wickedness. We start to damage our integrity and honesty when we give benefits to others or take them illegally. Mr. President, the menace of corruption is lurking everywhere in Pakistan. It has affected every sector, whether it's public, private, charitable, or even religious institutions. We are facing various forms of corruption like giving and taking bribes, illegal constructions, preparing false documents, altering the result. Mr. President, let me ask, when you go to buy 1 kilogram of mangoes from a poor roadside stall owner and you get only 900 grams, how would you define that? See how a common man treats the other. This is how an abused becomes an abuser, as when the abused gets an opportunity, he does the same. This is aptly said. Corruption is a ball of snow. Once it's set a rolling, it must increase. There is no way to get rid of corruption as long as the society members continue to have their corrupt practices in their daily lives, like selling substandard food, milk traders adding water in milk. Mr. President, who should we blame for corruption? Is it the system that pollutes the people, or the people who contaminates the system? We criticize others for it, but we don't mind paying bribe to get our work done in offices in order to avoid waiting period. The change that we seek has to come first on an individual level, and only then it could be brought into a system, as the system is nothing but just a reflection of society. What can I give? Spirit is needed. The country of my dreams, the country of your dreams, the land of the pure must not be chained by corruption. We must rise to excellence, immoral a manner. I'll conclude by leaving the message, say no to corruption to make a better Pakistan. Thank you.